Thank you very much for that, Abhishek. Just take a look at Dabur's Q3 numbers. It's a miss on the top line. The street was anticipating a revenue growth of 5.5%. The companies delivered roughly a 3.5% top line. Volumes were anticipated to grow 2%, but volumes have fallen by 3%. So there is a clear miss. The rural pressure, the distress is hurting Dabur, and the stock is currently down close to about 2%. On margins, it's lower on a year-on-year basis. EBITDA margins are down year-on-year, but slightly better than what the street was anticipating. But the miss right now in Dabur, at least, appears to be more on the top line. We've got Bala, who is with us on the show, and we've got Mayuresh Joshi or William O'Neill as well with us. Do we have Mayuresh? Okay, so before we get to Mayuresh and get a comment quickly on Dabur, Bala is here. Any trades that you would recommend? 20 minutes to go. Any BTST calls?
Yeah, the IT stocks have been doing well, so I have one from that sector. LTI Mindtree, that's extreme short-term setup. Buy for selling tomorrow. Stop below 45.60 and potential to see somewhere close to 46.40 to 46.70.
PSU banks, I mean, Abhishek highlighted. Have you looked at charts there for PSU banks, Jay? Anything looks interesting?
Yeah, actually, some of the PSU banks are still, looking like they have an incomplete up move pending, but it's not a uniform one. SBI, as I said earlier, I think that speaks very clearly. But when it comes to Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, and possibly even Punjab National Bank, they might still have a short-term upside. Bank of India, as long as 75 is protected, it's good. PNB, as long as 48 it's protected, it's good. So there's potential for going back to the recent highs, but these levels or slightly below that needs to be protected.
Okay, got that. Jay, always great having you on the show. Thanks very much for being with us and taking us through some of those interesting trades that you're looking at. Mayuresh Joshi is with us, as Rima pointed out. I think he's